Start with the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful. Welcome back to my channel Sardar Ghulam Farid. In today's video, we're gonna study about introduction to chemistry, importance, scope and the application. Let's see. What is chemistry? The chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the composition, structure, properties and changes of matter. Secondly, it helps us understand what substances are made of, how they interact, and how new substances can be formed. Moreover, everything around us, from the air we breathe, the food we eat, to the products we use, is made up of chemicals. So all these things we study in the chemistry, composition, structure, properties of matter. And you know what is the matter is? Matter is anything which occupies the space and having mass. It is known as a matter. It also helps us to understand the things, how the changes occurs in the materials, in the matters, and everything around us. For example, air, whatever we are eating, vegetables, fruits, all are related to the chemistry. Why we need to study the chemistry? Sometimes we think why chemistry is necessary for us. So in this slide we can see we study chemistry to understand the world around us on a molecular level. Chemistry explains how things change. I earlier told you whatever the changes, whatever the chemical reactions like the manufacturing processes all relates to the chemistry, like how iron rust or how food is digested. We know that we eat food and it is for the digestion. So how digested it we can know with the help of chemistry. It is the foundation of many sciences and helps us make informed daily decisions. Great. What is the importance of chemistry? It helps us develop new medicines. Nowadays, a lot of diseases we are managing with the medicines just because of the chemistry. Secondly, supports agriculture with fertilizers and pesticides. As you know, as the population is growing, so we need more crops, more growth of the crops. For that we use fertilizers, and to protect from the insects we use what? Pesticides. So these pesticides and fertilizers we get with the help of chemistry, just because of the chemistry. The third point is vital for industrial processes. Whatever the industrial processes, I earlier told you the manufacturing processes like the production of the cement, like the production of the sugar, and whatever the things, beverages for eating purpose, and glass industries, ceramic industries, cosmetic industries, cooking oil industries, all these industries are the example of chemistry. Oil and gas sector is purely the basis on chemistry. Solves environmental issues. What are the environmental issues? The pollutions we are facing nowadays, land pollution, air pollution, water pollution, and we can manage these pollutions with the help of chemistry. Essential in everyday life products. It is also very much important in our daily life, because chemistry told us what are the important nutrients for us we can get from fruits, vegetables, from meat. So what are the essentials, vitamins, carbohydrates, all these things we study in the chemistry. And now, what are the applications of chemistry? Medicines. Nowadays, antibiotics, a lot of usage of antibiotics to treat with bacteria. Vaccines. Last time, COVID-19 came and the whole world was involved into make new vaccine, and the vaccines came with the help of chemistry. Food industry, like preservative, we can store food for a long period of time with the help of preservatives. Flavorings. Nowadays, a lot of things we are enjoying just because of the new flavors. Energy, fuels, batteries, solar cells, all these new products are the example of chemistry. Environment, water purification, pollution control, materials like plastic, fibers, construction materials, all these things are the applications of chemistry. That's why we need to study the chemistry on the daily basis to understand the things. It is very helpful for us, and a lot of sectors are opened for us just because of the chemistry. Chemistry is a gateway to understand the world. It supports careers in medicine, engineering, teaching, and science. With the chemistry, you can start your medicine growth, like in the pharma industry. In engineering sector, like chemical engineering, production side, you can go for teaching. You can teach the chemistry to the students, and science means you can know a lot of new things related to the chemistry. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of chemistry. Stay cool. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video is very much helpful for you, so kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.